Who there? Area, your boy lawyer. Now your man worry now you, aka teacher worry, who don't know me before, now stranger, who never see me just the boss out. Over a day like this for this Wahala Parliament, I get 1 or 2 alignment for you via say me myself. I want to edit or kind keys for you, they hear the word. Like this now, because you say policemen everywhere, then they keep people. E come be like say policeman na thief. They say some kind things dey happen for the town. Via say all these Boko Haram abi S-men. Now police now don turn S-men for inside the streets. Everywhere now they dey Lego people. But me I no too talk much for that matter. Oh boy, me I dey with you. No waka comot to hold your phone tight because na one-on-one me and you get everywhere good. Welcome my man, how you don see, how you don confirm am. They say na determination na make Okada man fire pass trailer. When he see the trailer, he say this one na easy match. I want to use that once. Over Saturday like this where the alignment man want give you you dey hear wetin I tell you so. I wan update you about the people wey get money for children for this country. Na be the richest kid in Nigeria. Of course you say some kind children, if I say grace follow them, na opportunity follow them, we no know, but they get meters. They are say small pikin of 10, 11 years, 13, 14. They don't get up. But to cut the long story short, I will give you from 5 to 1. Na the top 5 now I wan give you. You dey confirm is our sister, Auntie Success. This girl, she dey into all this comedy stuff. She dey do all these, all those say the people dey laugh. And the girl, the born na 2013. Young small girl, the girl worth 31 million. Young girl, the girl don achieve dream. Bro, so that they try to tell you, this girl now, as she dey grow, she dey increase both physically, financially, materially, and otherwise. Happy well for the girl, not be joke. This girl now be the 5th richest kid in Nigeria. Now the 4th one I be this, she dey confirm her. Everybody know I be Emanuela. I say this girl na Canada girl. That time we know the girl say no, this not my real face. So no be joke. And this Emanuela swear now our home for area. I say the girl na from the dungeon, the ghetto. You see the house where she dey. She just built that for her mother last year. I say just say mama say for the Christmas, God don't make we dey shine, so may you shine. And the girl worth 60 million. Like the girl worth. Traditionally, the girl na young girl, they see born around 2011, abi na young girl, just 10 years plus. I'm happy for the girl because the girl self dey pursue dream. Bros, wetin I go tell you, not be joke. This one I wan live with you, swear. You dey hear wetin I tell you so. Money full everywhere. Forget say all your beers all full, say your sister never hot. You go collect rock, not be play. You dey confirm man. I didn't want to be the young boy. And this one na Tiri. Na be the top. Tiri richest boy for the. You dey get me so. Na DJ. Young money na dey call am. The boy dey scatter everywhere. You dey see the way they focus on the laptop. E be like they dey born, but the boy dey focus. He dey, you know these things now. Now the boy say what total money they say the boy worth now 61 million. Now they say the boy get, and the boy na small pikin. They born now 2009. You dey get me so. The boy see dey grow. They see dey achieve the dream. My guy, no dull moment. I go live on world with you, and I dey continue to live world with you. Money full everywhere. No dey see money poor. But to cut the long story short, everywhere good. Now, I won't give you the confirmation. The last 2 people wey get money, this one might be the second before I come give you the first. But wetin I go tell you so, my guy, no waka comot to hold your phone on because everywhere good.
You go enter market, just make you go buy fresh palm fruits. When you reach house, you go wash, you go pound, your body go dey pain you, even your fingernails go dey pain you. But make una no worry, make una relax. I get good news for una. Una don hear of Banga fresh palm fruit extract. All you need to do na make you go for the up, open am, take the amount wey you want, put am for your pot. Which soup you wan make? Shey na egusi, shey na ogbono, shey na vegetable, shey na banga. My sister no waste time again, my brother no waste time again. Just go buy Banga fresh palm fruit extract. They go know say you sabi cook and you be better cook.
Banga, come make your food yum.
Distributors needed nationwide. Phone number 081-6397-4447, 080-3564-4436, 070-6663-8213. Banga Fresh Palm Fruit Extract.
Welcome, my man. You don't confirm out. When I still on the studio, get money for the country. Now they call for you. And now I went at the second and the first. And this second boy, they confirm out. The boy na star boy for the town. The boy as he dey so he dey follow the whiskey they go, he dey follow the video they go because the boy self na musician and he worth 65 million. Now the boy worth happy well for the boy because he dey pursue his dream, he dey drive up, and the boy they see they try to make sure saying they follow up, he dey get the word. They born this boy na 2009, 2008 time they born this boy. Na big boy now, he don dey grow, they see they follow up. He worth 65 million and the boy was. But to cut the long story short, everywhere good. Now I want you the last one but not the least. You dey compare this boy na iron. The way they beat all of them with space 150 million. You see the boy, I know people say when I go read more about the boy, I call the class say papa get money. So I don't want to talk much about the wetin the boy get because the papa money na be wetin the boy get and the boy money na be wetin the papa get. But to cut the long story short, I don give you the 5 richest kids when e dey inside this country, and many kids dey come because your own pikin go get blood. My guy no be joke o. Wetin I dey tell you say e be like prophecy, but you fear say your children dem no live mumu life. Everywhere good, my guy. Today like this time so I get storyline for you. This one I no tell you say e happen for Yaba, abi e happen for Lagos, or e happen for backyard or e happen for area here. We discover say the money one policeman, I don't know na that he jam the boy for road, abi see the boy for road or they stroll na they meet. Now I call the one use am for the boy. As many they talk like this, they now they shoot the boy die, bros. I say the place scatter because they call this guy. I say the boy now all those plumber work, all those kind get together work. Police stand kill the boy like say na Yahoo boy. I don't understand it about the police. Everywhere they keep for worry, they keep for police stand like how they keep people for different local governments. E don turn na dey be the Boko Haram we dey see for our own area because Boko Haram dey bush but now na police stand na Boko Haram. As say police go hold you, they tell you say make you lawyer. If you not really lawyer, they go put their mouth. They tell you say come. If you do anyhow, I'll kill you for here, no level. Bros, wetin dey happen? People they see me, they call guide us, they call the user for us. Wetin make the policeman shoot this boy? He want talk say he see two so he hand, or he see drag him for him hand. He don't see anything for him hand, but he use am for the boy. Wetin I dey try tell you, my guy, they compare the video. This matter I pepper me well for body, and many people shout. Me I don't want to talk the matter because many matter dey ground. Now like this time, you dey compare with our leaders they do. Our leaders they call the shout for us software. They call the blow person like saying a garage money matter. See, bros, money make friend all day. My guy, money make friend all day. Money matter can make our leaders now. People they say they teach us, they see how the population they did. They call the fight as of because they you know these things now. But to call the long story short, everywhere good. For those of you never watch the video, Miss Aguario. Welcome, bros. You don't confirm our leaders. They disgrace us. My guys, I did like I don't tell you say the VS because all this now what small show they do. Okay, look what happen now. This one they do for inside meeting where they did. What it make our musicians? What did the name again? Davido and Burna Boy. They not go fight on another country. Coordination not there now. My guy, leaders they fuck up, stars they fuck up. I say children for area I want to grow. They call they make all the reason low. Over the face all this kind of thing, you know, because now garage now they don't say that they fight, they say that they break bottle, people they run and you know that see they use that they win things for road. They have a collection they did the road. But make I leave all those matter. I get another storyline for you. This one I want to close because our leader cause sit down say we you to not agree they also say now we they bomb pass. You know the matter now. You got the far woman go pay us, but God not agree. Wait till they try to tell you, they see this man. The man, I don't say na weather on a electrician on a vulcanizer on a. They say we not go school. Na road they learn. They say the guy say he sit down. Now he call do some kind of coordination for the motor. He do one motor come outside. The motor they use 8 plug. Bros, not be joke. If you see the motor, be like those gently film. But I say the motor, the boy the fire guy. The driver go for driver come back and tell you say the motor and I ain't doing. Meeting me. Now this thing I tell you every day, bros. Things they do your brain. Put your brain to work. Not the found man won't pay you. You won't want to pay you money today, tomorrow, and I want to feed you. Now, error. My guy, not be joke. I don't want to talk much for this matter, but those of you never watch the video. Miss Aguario.
Okay, Vito from Ibadan. He built his own car, and let's watch him move it. You can see that. Did you see that? Okay, you can come back, sir. Makes sense.
Welcome, my man. You don't come from man. Everywhere good. Oh, boy, the boy do the Uber. The boy do the motor. 8 plug. The boy not carry one motor engine put for there. He work on the engine. He use all the back and all the. The boy construct engine for the motor. The motor they use 8 plug. Not be joke. And they fire and go and come. They change that. Wait, I go live with you. And wait, make me show you this video now for you to know. Say, boy, put your brain to work. many things dey inside this life wey you never see. The things wey dey come every day so na through this brain I pass come. You know what, make your own come outside. My guy, if you put your brain to work today, tomorrow you go pay people. You know wetin that word mean? People go work for you, you go pay them. Not be woman go dey pay you, na you go call dey pay. And when you don dey pay every year good. My guy, na your man worry na you, aka teacher worry. As I dey on this Wahala Parliament swear, my time don dey exhaust. Just say I wan cross. But I go leave one word with you. No dull moment, my boy. Subscribe for my channel because this business channel wey you dey see so we dey grow every day and every day we dey go up. Try to come now, you go dey get new key for here. Oh boy, no dull moment. We dey on social media. All of them now we dey. No be joke. You dey see them YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. I say bros, we dey load steady. And me be loader. Be I say after they load, you sef you dey confirm. They say if you follow no road, you sef you go know.